Hello everyone, in this video we'll compare Proxmox and Docker. Proxmox and Docker serve different purposes, so which one is better depends on what you're trying to do. Proxmox is a full virtualization and container management platform. It lets you run multiple virtual machines, VMs, and Linux containers on a single physical server. It's great if you want to host different operating systems, manage resources easily, and create isolated environments that act like separate computers. It also comes with a web-based interface for easy control and supports features like live migration, backups, and clustering. Docker, on the other hand, is a containerization platform that lets you run lightweight portable apps. Instead of running full operating systems, Docker runs applications in isolated containers using the host OS. It's perfect for developers and teams who want fast, scalable deployments. It's widely used in DevOps and microservice architectures because of its speed, efficiency, and automation potential. So if you need to run multiple full operating systems or manage virtual machines and containers side by side, Proxmox is the better choice. But if your focus is on deploying and managing applications in a lightweight and scalable way, Docker is the winner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.